Hello everyone, first lecture of technology. Welcome to another interesting episode of Tech Coloridian where we delve into the ever evolving world of the technology. I am your host in your name, and today we are going to explore to the of innovation from the latest breakthrough to the trend shaping our digital landscape. Our journey being with the artificial intelligence, a force that transforming the industry and reshaping that where we live from virtual assist to advanced machine learning. AI is making way across various sectors. Take chatbot for example. They are becoming more intelligent and in-game, providing professionalized experience in customers survive and beyond. The future of AI hold potential. We are pushing the boundaries of the what machines can do, from natural language processing for the computer decision making. As we continue our exploration, let's talk about 5G, the 50th generation of wireless technology. It's not just about fastest developing speed. It's a game change for connectivity. 5G is not just an upgrade, it's a platform for innovation. We reduce and increase bandwidth, we unlocking for reality, smart city, and the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, or lot, is connecting our world is where we were imaging. Smart home image a world in your home. You need adjusting temperature, lighting, and security based on your preference. Now let now let dive into the quantum reality. Quantum computing is pushing the of classing computing open new door for solving complex problem at unexpected speed. Quantum side, or called enable parallel, allowing us to task problems that were once considered unsolved. Its revolution is information processing. With great technology adventure come to need for robot. As our life become more connecting, our digital assist become paramount. That to publish scheme, the digital lab scam is rife with we must stay vigilant and improve advanced security measure to protect our data. And there you have it, a glimpse into the exist of technology from AI, the quantum computer. The innovation are shaping our future as we continue to embrace technology. Marvel, let's remember to navigate the digital forting responsibility. Until next time, this is you. This is your name singing of stay course and tech